Hi friends, good morning. How are you? Exams are coming nearer. Yes, December, the exams are starting and hope you are preparing well for it. Now, we are here to help you crack your CA final December examination. December 21 exams will help you crack it. And for this, we are coming out with a crash batch. You can say fast track batch for all subjects of CA final, Group 1 as well as Group 2. Today, we'll be discussing about the Group 1 fast track batch which are there. I'm Niket. I cleared my chartered accountancy in November 2008, and since then I'm teaching all you lovely students. That's more than 12 years. And I take two subjects in CA final. One is your paper 1 FR financial reporting and your paper 3 advanced auditing and professional ethics. I have with me CA Asim sir and CS Abhishek sir. Asim sir takes SFM subject. Abhishek sir is taking your corporate laws and economic laws. Now, Asim sir is into teaching since last more than 20 years. So he has a great experience. And Abhishek sir is also teaching since last 14 years. Imagine all faculties over here, every one of us have an experience at least of 10 years. Now, see this fast track batch, how it will be working. I'll just tell you a brief about my subjects first, and then we'll go to the other faculties. For FR, I'll start this fast track batch from 26th of September. I repeat, FR will be started from 26th of September. We'll have around 25 sessions of 4 hours each. So it will take total 100 hours. We'll finish off before 25th October. Okay, 26th September we are starting. We'll finish off FR before 25th of October. Still, you will have 1.5 months time for preparing yourself. Sir, audit we are starting from 1st September. The 1st September to 20th September will be auditing. 26th September to kind of 25th October will be your FR. You will have enough time later on for preparing yourself as well. I am taking 4 hours a day, evening, 6 to 10:30 p.m. So your normal office hours may not be disturbed. It's evening 6 o'clock onwards to 10:30 p.m. will be the timings for FR as well as audit. Audit starts from 1st of September. FR will start from 26th of September. I go to Asim sir, ask about, sir, how are the scheduling done for SFM subject?
Hi, sir. Hi, everybody. I'm Asim sir. In this course, I'm taking totally 100 hours. Every day, classes will be 4 hours. So 25 days, 25 into 400 hours classes I will take. The course would commence on 7th September and it will be completed on 30th September. The 24 to 25 days classes I am taking. My class timing would be morning 8 to 10. After that, a 30-minute break. After the break, 10:30 to 12:30. Means every day it will be 4 hours with half an hour break.
Correct.
In this course, what I have planned, in 100 hours, I would solve 125 numerical covering the entire syllabus. Some composite problems should be there, which are the combination of 2 or 3 problems like that, so that within time-bound manner, in a reasonable level, we can complete it. That is my plan for the 25 days. Any student who has attended SFM earlier, who has not cleared the exam, who has not attended, the course has been designed in such a way that everybody would be benefited for that one. And if for newcomers there is a problem, extra care would be taken for them also, so that they also become at par after the completion of 100 hours courses. That is my strategy for this course. Now I would hand over to the Abhishek sir to say about something about his course. Please, Abhishek sir.
Hi everyone, very good morning to all of you. Myself is CS Abhishek Sharma. I'm a company secretary and a law graduate, and being in teaching since 2008 onwards. I also had a corporate experience of working with Radio Mirchi, Times of India, Deloitte, and that what we are doing at CA final level, because at final level, you not only need to know the provisions, you also need to know the application of law, and that is where the student will find it comfortable to solve the case study. And if you see the exam pattern of CA Final Paper 4, you'll find that the institute is focusing more towards the case study and that is where they want an application of law to be made in a more proper manner. And for that thing, we are coming out with a fast track course of my subject, which is paper 4, is starting from 1st of October, and it is going to be 5-hour session in the morning, which will be of 8 to 10:30, and then 11 to 1:30. It is going to be approximately for 18-20 days. And under that, we are going to cover all the important aspects, not only the corporate laws, but also the economic laws. The portion is very vast. So we are going to precisely cover each and every aspect, touching every important things, which is crucial for your exam, along with the tips of how to solve the case studies, because that is going to be a game-changing aspect for all of you. So this is going to be our strategy with respect to paper 4. Clear? So now I request Nikhil sir to...
Okay, I'll just share with you all people the details about the batch in a PPT and what subscription is recommended for you all people. So let me just share the screen with you all. Okay, this is a fast track batch for December 21 examination. We'll have fast track batch for CA Final Group 1 as well as Group 2. It will be in 100% English. The batch is starting from 1st of September. The audit SFM starts from 1st September, FR 26 September, and your law starts from 1st October. Faculties, yes, we already met you. Second group ke faculties, we'll have a separate webinar for that, covering that second group ka details. And sir, which subscription is suitable for me? We recommend you a subscription for 3 months. See, 3 months subscription will cost you 8,000 rupees. You can use the code Yashesh, you'll get 10% discount. So 7,200 rupees, you're able to revise all first group CA final papers. Now, just one more thing. So this is suitable for which student? Like Asim sir covered bit, that point came in my mind also. So this is actually suitable for the students who are preparing first time as well as those who are repeaters. See, if at all you attended last time, you're not able to crack it, it's okay, that's gone. Gone is gone, we cannot change it. What's in our hand is the future. So now we need to understand what our weaknesses were. So this fast track batch will help you to evaluate what your weaknesses are. Same way, the existing first timer student, if you want to brush up your entire subject very fast, imagine auditing subject 15 days I'm taking. So 15 days, 4.5 hours you attend class, and the similar time you can also revise together with me. So 15 days mein your entire subject of auditing will get over. Imagine 15 days I'm able to finish up a subject. It's actually great. And so the content coverage over here will be absolutely adequate. I won't say everything will be covered, but all important points from exam perspective definitely will be covered, and that too not superficially, in detail. So all important points from exam perspective will be covered in detail for you. Now let's understand from Asim sir. Sir, 100 days are left.
So Nikhil sir.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, can we say that it is beneficial for all the students, precisely covering not only the repeaters, but also everybody, those who are appearing in the coming exam? It is beneficial for everyone.
100%. So those who want to revise the subject, the entire subject gets revised in such lesser hours, it becomes extremely helpful to them. And sir, we will not be covering
as you can understand, this is going to be a game changing for everybody, whether it's being the first timer or being a repeater. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir, definitely. Asim sir, 100 days are left. How should a student plan for this 100 days for examination?
Correct. Now, first thing, CA final is not an easy exam. Now, when you are talking in 100 days, we would like to crack it. Effort should be from the both sides, means from the educator sides as well as from the student side. That means what I want to say, in the class, what we are doing, those things they have to practice to some extent before entering into the next class. Because 4-hour class means every day, one chapter, another chapter, just like this. They have to do what we have done in the class. That means if we are teaching 4 hours in a day, they have to work at home at least for 2 hours. From our side, we are ready. From their side, if they are ready for 2 hours, I am hopeful one beautiful thing we can do, and we can crack the highest level exam like CA final also. The effort should be from the both sides. We are ready. I am asking the students, are you ready? If you are ready, come to us, join hand with us. We would complete all the papers 40 days before exam. Not only that, in that 40 days, we would conduct some mock tests to understand the student, they are at what stage, they are at par, below par or above par, so they can assess themselves. And if they are not at par, they can take some action so that they may be ready before the exam. So it is looking 100 days, but everything is there. Coverage would be exhaustive, no doubt not 100%, but exhaustive that would be there. To some extent, revision classes we can also do. Not only that, mock test we are doing. If a student can seriously take all these things, I am sure it would be tremendous benefit to the student. In 100 days also, we can crack the exam like CA final. The effort should be from the both sides. That is my request to all of the students. The 40 days before we are completing, 40 days mock test, all the revision, all the doubt clearance, whatever we do with them, and after that they have to appear for the exam. So one request, every class they should attend, and whatever has been done in the class, 2 hours they should read at their own. If only this practice they do it, balance leave on us, we will do the balance and you can crack the CA final exam. Okay? Now, Nikhil sir, I have a question to you particularly.
Yes sir, tell me.
FR, there is a radical change. Change means if we see old syllabus, then new syllabus.
New syllabus, correct.
80% changes are there. So what is your plan, and how old student who has shifted to the new course, if you give a light with respect to that one, I think students would get benefit.
See sir, many students have actually shifted from old syllabus to new syllabus. Reason, earlier announcement was like last attempt which had gone, that was the last attempt for old syllabus. Now they've extended, but that announcement came very late. The majority of the old syllabus student have actually converted to new syllabus. So I'll say, sir, your question is relevant for all subjects. Let me explain for FR and auditing. In FR, old syllabus, you had accounting standard. In new syllabus, you have Ind AS. So they are totally different. Yeah, the old syllabus, it was accounting standard. New syllabus, the entire paper is based on Ind AS. We don't have accounting standards in CA final new syllabus. So Pakka, if at all you shifted from old to new, you will need coaching of FR. And this fast track batch will come to your rescue. Now, sir, let me talk about auditing as well. Now, auditing, the kind of content is similar. The content in old syllabus, content in new syllabus is almost similar, I'll say. But the way the papers are asked, that's very different. In your old syllabus, the question papers in auditing were direct, straightforward question. But in new syllabus, there's a lot of cornering. And I tell you, specifically for standards on auditing. For standards on auditing, in old syllabus, question comes from the bare text of standard. In new syllabus, the question comes from application and explanatory material. And I tell you, if you are still in old syllabus, I personally feel you would not have done auditing in that much detail. If you don't know about application, explanatory part of the essays, you will land up again in trouble in your new syllabus exam. So for those students who have shifted from old to new, I personally recommend make sure you attend FR and auditing both. This is for my subjects. Let's hear for other subjects. First going to Abhishek sir.
Sir, with respect to the paper 4, the corporate laws, the major shift is basically the pattern of examination. Now, earlier, the institute used to ask a lot of direct questions. And as I said, that now the emphasis of the institute is basically towards the case studies. They want the application. In fact, more than 80% of the exam being asked in a case study pattern. That is one of the major shifts. Second is the corporate laws is still the same, but when it comes to the economic laws, which is comprising of IBC, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, the major shift, focus being shifted toward the IBC, FEMA. So these are the economic laws where you can find a major changes in comparison to the old portion. And that is what we are going to cover in the fast track. touching each and every aspect in all the 4 papers pertaining to Group 1. So now I shift the things towards Azim sir also with respect to his subject. Sir?
Hello, can you ask me?
Yeah. Asim sir, can you share
Yes, sir.
about what SFM students should do? Yeah.
For my subject, if we compare with the old syllabus, number of topic is something less.
Happy smile comes.
But the question pattern, if I say, to some extent there is a change. For example, in the old syllabus, we can attempt 96 mark numerical also, only 4 mark for theoretical. But in new syllabus, 75 maximum numerical you can score, balance 25 you have to go for theory. That means weightage should be given for numerical as well as theoretical. So what I have planned in my course, a considerable part of time I would spend for the theory portion also.
Theory,
because 25 mark is more or less sure. Numerical we may not crack it. Theoretical we can crack it if we study properly. So I am doing the balance for the numerical as well as the theoretical. Next one, question level. If we see last to last exam or last to last exam, total level has been changed. Means rata ke jo tha actually all numerical, that they are not asking. They are asking, they are testing your intelligence. No doubt in the last exam again, same type of thing they have asked, but time to time they are asking your intelligence. So not only problem solving ability, your understanding about the subject has become more and more important. If you do not understand, you cannot make a good score in SFM. So that level, that understanding you have to do. But number of chapter, if you ask me, to some extent less for my syllabus, but intelligence they are testing in every point. Okay. So conceptually, also we have to learn. Just practicing one problem 3-4 times would not help to make a good score in the exam. Conceptually learning is must for my subject also.
Fair enough. I think we have covered almost all the things which we wanted to say. So again, I just repeat, the batch starts from which date? Auditing starts from 1st of September. It will be for 60 days, 15 days of 4 hours each. FR is starting from 26 September. This will be of 25 days, 4 hours each. SFM is starting from 1st of September. 1st September, that is again 25 days. Which date?
SFM starting 7th September.
7th September. Okay, sorry, 7th September. 25 days, 4 hours each, right? And your law is starting from 1st of October, sir, correct? 1st October, it will be there. So these are the batch starting dates. If any of you have any questions, you can tell us. We are ready to help you crack your CA final exams.
So one more thing I want to say. One more thing.
Yes, sir.
Now, student has a doubt. They think if we enroll for the crash course, we can see only the crash course classes. And sir, you know, you can watch the crash course classes as well as what is our special classes that they can watch, as well as our plus classes that also they can watch. Means for the 3-month time period, they can watch any class, crash course class, regular class, special class, plus class, whatever may be, everything they can watch. So that is a tremendous benefit to the student. I think they should take the advantage of that. All the classes they can watch, there is no restriction that you can do or cannot do like that. Everything they can watch in this platform. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, Vinay had a doubt, sir. Is auditing for 60 days? No, dear, it's not for 60 days. It is for 15 days, 4 hours each, total 60 hours. But I won't be taking on Sundays, so probably you can take up the total duration be 20 days because Sundays will be off in that. The total 60 hours classes for auditing. Any other student having any doubts, feel free to ask. We are here to help you.
Sir, I believe we have covered almost everything which can come in students' mind. Students, any doubt, please feel free to ask.
Vinay has a question, sir, whether you will come up with the English batch. Vinay, as of now for December examination, answer is no. Next May exam, we may probably come up. Currently, it is 100% English batch. But I tell you one thing, your exams are in English. You have to write in English, and you don't have a problem in understanding English. You have a problem in speaking English. So if it is 100% English classes, what we are talking are the terms which are there in the book itself. So pakka you will be comfortable. Don't worry about it. You will be comfortable with English language. I'm sure for that.
Right.
Sir, Suraya has a question. What are the timings? Okay, I tell you about FR and audit. FR and audit will be evening 6 to 10:30 p.m. Sir, SFM and law, you can just respectively tell the timings.
For SFM, timing is morning 8 to 12:30 with 30-minute break. 8 to 10, 30-minute break, 10:30 to 12:30, 4 hours per day.
And for paper 4, which is corporate law and economic law, the timing is going to be 8 to 1:30. So it is going to be 8 to 10:30, which is going to be first session, then 30 minutes break, and then 11 to 1:30. Okay, and this will be entirely starting from 1st October and will finish in 18 to 20 days. Which means that by 20th of October, you're finishing your entire first track course with respect to paper 4.
Okay, Devki Nandan has a question, sir. What will be the content coverage in FR? Devki Nandan, I tell you, for FR and auditing both, the content coverage will be exhaustive. Whatever required from exam purpose will be covered. I may remove few questions, few theories which are not relevant for exam purpose. Otherwise, you can say content coverage is almost 90 to 95%. Topics will be covered, there's no problem at all.
Correct.
I'll make sure that you don't have any problem when you're writing your examination.
The coverage is going to be exhaustive, covering almost everything.
Any other doubts if you want to ask? And I just tell you one thing. I personally try to motivate the student to bring the best out of them. This is now you're left with 100 days. You have your CA final exams coming in December. Now, when I look at the exam point of view, it feels a bit difficult. But when you take day at a time, like, okay, 15 days audit is going on, day 1, day 2, day 3, I'm able to understand things. I'm able to revise what is done in class. That is sufficient. And that's why we say, focus on the step in front of you. Focus on the step in front of you, not the whole staircase. If you're focusing on the whole staircase and you're moving, imagine I'm just seeing up and I'm moving, definitely I'll fall. But if I'm just focusing on next step, definitely that step will be done in a best way. Again, next step, that step is done in a best way. And that will help you crack your CA final examination. So don't focus on exam right now. Focus on each and every day which you are having. All these 100 days which are there has to be the best days where you sleep with a smile on your face. I had a target, I finished the target, I'm sleeping with a smile on my face. That is what is required. Any other queries from your side?
I would say that consistency is something which is going to be a key for the success. So, as Nikhil sir rightly said, that focus on small targets which you are keeping for a daily basis. And by achieving those, you can always reach to the destination what you have designed for. So precisely consistency, daily studying, whatever being taught in the session, revise that thing without any effort. And success is going to be yours only.
Asim sir, your words of wisdom.
Just one thing, you join, we are doing our best. If they also do their best, best means after the class 2 hours. If they do what has been done in the class, I think in 100 days also we can crack the exam like CA final. They did not think about it. Only they think I have to attend the class. What teacher has told us, I will practice at my home 2 hours, then come to the class next day. Only that small step if they do, I think according to you, we can reach at the top. It may be 10th floor, 15th floor, whatever maybe, we can reach there. These small steps only they have to take that, I think.
Then sir, so we don't have any more doubts. So I think we should end the session.
Okay.
Thank you all. It was lovely having all of you over here. We are ready. Please be ready and see you from 1st of September. Take a 3-month subscription and let's crack it.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.